Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to pass parameters in Jenkins, only to feel overwhelmed by the number of them? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to simplify how to pass all parameters from one Jenkins pipeline job to another. I totally get it. Managing multiple parameters can feel like juggling flaming torches. You're not alone in this struggle. Many Jenkins users face the same challenge when trying to streamline their pipelines. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I pass all 25 parameters from my build-all job to job 1 without manually specifying each one? If you've ever felt this frustration, stick around as we explore the solution together. So why is this an issue? Jenkins pipelines can be powerful, but they can also become cumbersome when dealing with numerous parameters. Understanding how to efficiently pass these parameters can save you time and headaches. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have a quick tip that will make your Jenkins experience even smoother. To pass all parameters from the build-all job to job 1, the user can utilize the parameters feature in Jenkins. First, they need to modify the build step in the pipeline script. Next, the user should ensure that job 1 is configured to accept the parameters being passed from build-all. This means job 1 must have the same parameters defined. Now, the user can test the pipeline. They should trigger the build-all job and verify that job 1 receives all the parameters correctly. If the user wants to pass parameters dynamically, they can also use a loop to iterate through the parameters in the pipeline script. Finally, the user should review the Jenkins documentation for any additional features or best practices regarding parameter passing in pipelines. Fun fact, did you know that Jenkins was originally developed as a fork of the Hudson project? It's come a long way since then, helping developers automate their workflows. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests passing all pipeline parameters using a simple script. First, create an empty list for parameters. Then, iterate through the environment variables, adding each key value pair as a string parameter. Finally, use this list when calling the downstream job. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always document your parameters and their purposes. This will save you time in the long run and make your pipelines easier to manage. And there you have it. You can now pass all parameters from your build-all job to job 1 effortlessly. Remember, efficient parameter management is key to a smooth Jenkins experience. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.